Question number 5. A factory manufactures two type of screw, A and B. Each type of screw require the use of two machines. Each type of screw require the use of two machines, an automatic and a hand operated. It takes 4 minutes on the automatic and 6 minutes on hand operated machine to manufacture a package of screw A, while it takes 6 minutes on automatic and 3 minutes on the hand operated machine to manufacture a package of screw B. Each machine is available for at most 4 hours on any day. The manufacturer can sell a package of screw A at a profit of ₹7 and screw B at a profit of ₹10, assuming that he can sell all the screw he manufactured. How many packages of each type should the factory owner produce in a day in order to maximize his profit? Determine the maximum profit. Now let us suppose that the package of screw ABX. Let us suppose that the package of screw BX and the package of screw B equal to Y. Let us suppose that let X be package of screw X be the package of screw A and Y be the package of screw B. Screw A and screw B. Maximize Z is equal to ₹7x plus 10y. ₹7x plus 10y. ₹7x plus 10y. Subject to constraint. Now make the inequality with the help of equation. 4 minutes on the automatic machine. Now make a table to the formation of equation. Make a table to the formation of equation. Screw A and screw B. Screw A and the screw B. Automatic machine, hand operated machine, automatic machine, hand operated machine. Automatic, hand operated hand operated machine and the profit or time available. Time available. Automatic machine. 4 minutes on the automatic machine and 6 minutes on hand operated machine for the screw A. Screw A 4 minutes on the automatic machine and 6 minutes on the hand operated machine. Clear? Next, 6 minutes on automatic machine and 3 minutes on hand operated machine. 6 minutes on automatic machine and 3 minutes on hand operated machine. Hand operated machine. The total time is available. The total time is available at most 4 hours. Total time available 4 hours. Minute, and total time for the screw A 4 hours. 4 hours. And the profit for the auto machine A rupees 7 and profit for the machine B rupees 10. देखो, in a factory the machine produce type A screw and in a factory produce screw type B. There are two type of machine work: automatic machine and hand operated machine. The machine A, the machine automatic machine 4 minute work and hand operated machine 6 minute work to produce the screw of type A. Screw of type A and screw of type B work on 6 minutes by the automatic machine and 3 minutes by the hand operated machine. The automatic machine work 4 hours at most. Automatic machine work 4 hours at most and hand operated machine also work 4 hours most. So therefore the equation of inequalities formed by this table, x type, x be the package of screw A and y be the package of screw B. So 4x plus 6y, 4x plus 6y is less or equal to 4 hours, that's equal to 240 minutes. Clear? Now formation of equation 4x plus 6y less or equal to 240 minutes. And the second equation, hand operated machine. For hand operated machine 6x plus 3y, 6x plus 3y less or equal to 240 and x greater or equal to 0, y greater or equal to 0. This is the subject to constant. This is the subject to constant. After that, draw a graph and draw the equation of line. Clear? Now we draw a graph. X-axis, Y-axis, origin. If the value of x equal to 0, x equal to 0, y equal to 40, and y equal to 0, x is equal to 60. Now 60, 0 and 40, 40. This is the equation of line. And the second equation, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 80, and y is equal to 0, x is equal to 40. Y is equal to 0, x is equal to 40. 40, 0, and 0, 80. 0, 80. This is the equation of line. The both lines are intersected at the point. Then you draw the shaded region or visible region due to the condition of 0, 0. Put x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in this equation. They are satisfied. 0 plus 0, 0 is less than 240, which is true. When we put 0 plus 0 less than 240, 0 is less or equal to 240, which is true. True. The shaded region towards the origin. The shaded region towards the origin. Now shade the region. Zero 40, 0, 0, and 40, 0. Now find the point of intersection. Point of intersection 12x plus 6y equal to 480. 4x plus 6y equal to 240. Now we multiply 2 in the equation number 2. Now we multiply 2 in equation number 2, that we get 12x plus 6y equal to 480, and subtract the equation number first. Equation number first, 8x is equal to 240 and x is equal to 30. X is equal to 30 and 6y is equal to 240 minus 120, and 6y is equal to 120 and y is equal to 20. So 30 and comma 20. The point of intersection is 30 and 20. Clear? Now next, as when we put this value is the corner point. This value is the corner point. So we put the values in the equation z equal to 7x plus 10y. This is the maximized profit at the different corner point. This is the maximize the value at 0 0, at 0 0, z equal to 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. At 0 40, z is equal to 0 plus 10 into 40 equal to 400. And 40 0, z is equal to 7 into 40 plus 0 is equal to 280. And 30 20, z is equal to 7 into 30 plus 10 into 20, that's equal to 210 plus 200, that's equal to 410. This value is the maximum value at the point 30 20. 410 is the maximum value of the at the point 30 20. So 0 0, 40 0, 30 20 and 0 40 is the four corner point of this feasible region. Then the corner point we substitute in the maximized z equal to 7x plus 10y and we get the maximum value at the point of 30 20. Clear?